Alrighty, we're here at the job site. We've got two cabins side by side. We've got the first floor. Then over here, we've got the other one. Two side by side cabins. Awesome view here, the nice hay field. And so we're gonna get going here before long. The crane's gonna show up anytime. We're gonna start setting some logs by hand. It's gonna be a good day, hopefully. Should go quick, and we're gonna just hammer these things out in a couple hours. All right, so it's about 10:30-ish, and we've got the first cabin set. Went really well, looks awesome. So we're moving over to the next one. It's a beautiful day, about 60 degrees out here. We're excited about how it's going so far. So we just finished up the second cabin. Both went together really well. These have 6-foot overhangs here, so the porch is 6 foot. The roof comes all the way over to cover the whole porch, which is really nice. So you get maximum roof coverage. Here's gonna be the kitchen there. The bathroom goes in that back corner, and then kind of a living space, bed probably underneath that window there. A lot of windows, big 2 4x4 windows there. A couple in the kitchen, bathroom, so maximizes the whatever view you have outside. Of course, everything's fully customizable. We can change size of the windows very easily. So nice long full-length purlins. Turned out really nice. Just looks really good side by side. 2 cabins. I think these are going to be Airbnb rentals, and I think he's going to end up putting a couple more in here eventually. So these are awesome for Airbnbs, guest houses, anything like that. They're just great little vacation rentals. Yeah, today went really well. We're gonna come back tomorrow bright and early and get these roofs on, get them sealed up this week. We'll come back and we're gonna put the windows and doors in, finish up details, put the railing on the porch, finish up that porch. We're gonna build stairways off of the deck. That's all coming up. It's gonna be awesome little pair of cabins here when we're done. This is cabin 1. We did this one first, and then we did that one this afternoon. Here you can see the full 6-foot overhangs that come all the way to the edge of the porch here to get the maximum roof coverage of the porch. So you can see all the outlets are cut inside, so they're ready to wire. The electrician is going to come, and once the roof's on, or once the roof is started and ready, he's going to come run wires, and we'll foam it and seal it up. So hopefully the next day is Wednesday, so by Friday night we're hoping to have the roofs sealed up, sheeted, ready for shingles or metal, whatever. So that'll be good. We'll get that done. Then we're going to do windows, finish the deck here, do the fascia around the perimeter, porch rails. We're going to build stairs off the porches. So it's going great so far. It was a really good day. They fit really nice. Everything looks great. They just look right on point. So we're excited for this project to stay on track and get it done. So we're gonna head out and be back tomorrow bright and early.